F'dawn il-jiem m'hawnx biss ġurnalisti mill-pajjiżi membri tal-Commonwealth. Fiċ-ċentru tal-Midja iltqajna ma' grupp ta' ġurnalisti mill-Aġenzija tal-aħbarijiet Ġermaniża ARD. Għalkemm pajjiżhom mhux membru taċ-CHOGM qed isegwu b'interess dak li għaddej. Real Selman mill-Aġenzija ARD spjega kif ir-rapportaġġ tiegħu se jiffoka fuq ir-Reġina bħala omm mhux biss ta' Prinċep Carlo iżda ta' 53 pajjiż.
The CHOGM here in Malta this year has a special background. Her Majesty, the Queen, will be 90 next year, and she is not only the mother of her own personal family, she is the mother of a big family of the Commonwealth with 53 nations.
Fil-fatt dan se jsir bil-parteċipazzjoni ta' wħud mill-mexxejja tal-pajjiżi li se jagħtu r-reazzjoni tagħhom dwar ir-Reġina bħala l-kap tal-Commonwealth, però mhux biss.
We do a 3-part documentary on the Windsors, and so we have plenty of opportunities to go through her whole life story, and that is what I will probably be doing all of next year.
Fuq kollox Selman iqabbel iċ-CHOGM ma' familja li bħal nazzjonijiet magħquda għandha taħdem flimkien biex teleb l-isfidi globali.
As we see at the moment, we need to stand together as an international community, particularly against terrorism worldwide. And I think that families like the Commonwealth, but of course the United Nations also, of which the Commonwealth is in a way a member, they all have a very difficult task ahead of them. And the better countries understand each other, the better it is for the future of our planet.